Let me show you how we can enter and exit the download mode on POCO X8 Pro and Pro Max. In order to go to the download mode, first we need to activate the recovery mode. So I'm gonna use the power button and volume up button in order to open the power menu. And then over here you want to reboot the phone, so slide down over here, and once you start rebooting, you want to press and hold volume up button. So once that circle disappears, you can start pressing and holding volume up. There we go. And now just keep holding volume up button all the time until you open the recovery mode. So even if you see the POCO logo on the screen, you still want to keep holding the volume up button. There we go, we have the POCO logo, but I'm still holding volume up. And just in a couple of seconds, we should be able to see the recovery mode. There we go. Now in order to navigate in this menu, we need to use volume buttons. So use volume up or down in order to choose a different option. And we want to choose the connect with MI assistant. And we confirm our choice by using the power button. And there we go, this is the download mode. Now you should be able to connect your phone to your computer, for example, and you can start using the download mode. There's also a chance that you need to use additional Xiaomi software to be able to actually make full use of the download mode. Now if you want to exit the download mode, you just have to press and hold the power button for a couple of seconds until that image disappears from your screen. So just keep holding the power button. There we go, once it disappears you can release the power button and your phone should turn back on into and go into the normal mode. And in case it goes to recovery mode actually, then you just have to choose the reboot option. So press power button and then once again, and there we go. That is pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.